Title of this walk-in doc is Immunology, Epidemiology, Pathogens and Antigens in Spiritual Warfare. The idea is that spiritual warfare is fought through human beings, mediated by viruses and microorganisms. So if we think of the idea of an angel and a demon, right? These are large concepts. These are hyper subjects, hyper agents. It's hard to perceive or get a grasp on them as a whole. But if we think of them as fractally and the concept of as above, so below, we can think of a virus like a appendage of a demon. We can think of something like the immune system or a vitamin as an appendage of an angel. For example, look at vitamin D. It's now been shown to be extremely effective against the coronavirus, against respiratory viruses, and against many illnesses. A pathogen is something that causes disease. An antigen is something that fights disease, the immune system, right? So I think it's an interesting idea that spiritual warfare is mediated again through human beings and through this invisible world that we are all affected by, right? And moreover, what does the immune system originate from, and how does it function? It functions through the lymphatic system, but the actual T cells, the B cells, the actual cellular structure originates from the bone marrow, right? If you think of the marrow, right, so you have the hard exterior of the body, the skin, then you have the soft interior, then you have the hard exterior of the bone, then you have the soft interior of the marrow. And the marrow is a very important spiritual concept as well, right? So our immune system comes from the inside out, from the very marrow of our bones. And I think it's interesting to think of something like vitamin D again as Archangel Michael, right? Or as an angel that is fighting on the force of the light, because of course, where does vitamin D come from? It comes from the sun. You also get it through milk. So all of this all of this epidemiological occurrences that we've seen recently, obviously with coronavirus, but just in general, could it be an effect of spiritual warfare mediated, spiritual warfare fought through human beings, mediated by viruses and immune systems? So just a thought. Love to know what you think, and I'll see you guys next time. God bless.